Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually at Cannon Hill Park in Edgbaston. I haven't come here for some time, so I'm not too sure what wildlife I'll see. But there's quite a few ducks and geese about. If I actually walk over this way, you can see. So I walked round to the other side of the park, and in a small pond I saw quite a few mallard ducklings. I wasn't sure where their mum was. I'm assuming she was out getting food for them, so hopefully she came back for them after I'd left. The goslings, they decided to come and sit right in front of me, so it's far too close for the camera, so might as well get some footage on here. It's quite cool to see. Everything's come out so good so far. I'm gonna carry on walking around and see what I can get. I might get some photos of some flowers maybe. So I'm actually quite loving the daisies on the field, so yeah, I've got to be quite low down for this so I can get the best photos possible. So this is the same place where the goslings were. They've just gone off the other way with their parents. I think someone went to feed them. So I'm gonna try and just get some of these flowers here. So yeah, the photos of the daisies came out quite good. So yeah, it's been a nice day out. Obviously I didn't film every single thing I did while I was here. But from what I filmed, I'm quite happy with what's come out. So thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.